Today, we're diving into a technology that's literally merging human minds with machines at a pace that is just breathtaking. It's the kind of stuff you've seen in science fiction for years, right? Well, it's happening right now, and it's on a path to redefine what it even means to be human. Just take a second and really think about that. Controlling the world around you, not with your hands, not with your voice, but with your mind. And look, this isn't just about convenience, being lazy. This is about a massive shift in how we interact with technology and maybe even with reality itself.
And the crazy part, this is happening so fast. The whole idea is jumping right off the pages of novels and landing in actual labs. And maybe most importantly, it's already being tested with the very first human patients. The future isn't on its way, it's already here.
So, how on earth does this stuff actually work? I mean, how do you build a bridge between the quiet little electrical sparks in your brain and a real physical action out in the world? Well, the secret is in decoding the most complex language in the known universe, the language of the brain. Okay, let's get into it. It all boils down to this thing called a brain-computer interface, or BCI for short. The easiest way to think about it is like a translator. It listens in on all that subtle electrical chatter between your brain cells, your neurons, and it figures out how to translate that super complex biological language into simple digital commands. It's the essential link that lets our organic minds talk directly to machines. The whole process is actually pretty elegant when you break it down. It all starts with you just thinking. You think about moving your hand to the left. That simple thought creates a unique electrical signature in your brain. The BCI device, it spots that specific signature and basically translates it, saying, hey, I know that pattern. That one means move left. Then it zaps that command over to a computer and bam, the machine acts. Just like that, your thought becomes a real action. And let's be clear, this isn't just some theoretical research project in a university basement. You've got major companies like Neuralink and Synchron who are in an all-out race to perfect this. They're developing everything from these tiny implantable threads to devices that are way less invasive, all with the same goal, making this brain-to-machine connection a real practical thing. Now, all the futuristic stuff is super exciting, but honestly, the most profound impact of this technology is happening right now. It is already creating what you can only call medical miracles, giving people back abilities that were thought to be lost for good. For someone who's lost the ability to move or to speak, a BCI isn't some cool new gadget. It's a lifeline. The early human trials are showing just incredible results, giving people back a fundamental connection to the world and to the people they love. So what does this look like in the real world? It means patients can now move a cursor around on a screen just by focusing their thoughts. They can type out messages to their family, they can browse the internet, they can get back a level of digital freedom. It's this powerful restoration of connection that until now was pretty much impossible. But beyond these amazing medical uses lies something much, much bigger. And yeah, maybe a little more controversial. What happens when we start using this technology not just to fix what's broken, but to enhance what's already there? This is really the fundamental crossroads we're coming to. Down one path, we use BCIs to heal people and overcome the physical limits of the body. But down the other path, we use them to upgrade our natural abilities, to make ourselves smarter, to remember things perfectly, maybe even to control our own emotions. And as we start plugging technology directly into our brains, that classic sci-fi line between human and machine, between biology and tech, it starts to get really, really blurry. I mean, what could that future actually look like? Just imagine having a direct, seamless hookup to an AI, where you could access information as fast as you can think a thought. Or what about being able to download a new skill or enhance your memories, or even just dial down your anxiety with perfect precision? The possibilities are absolutely staggering. But this, of course, brings us to the final and maybe the most important part of this whole story. Because with this kind of power comes a whole new set of massive questions we have to answer. And that's really the heart of it, isn't it? With a technology this powerful, one that touches the very source of who we are, the breakthroughs and the big questions, they show up together. So this is the ultimate question we have to face with brain-computer interfaces. Are we on the verge of building a smarter, healthier, more capable version of humanity? Or, in our race to bridge mind and machine, are we about to give up the privacy of our own thoughts, the very last true frontier of our inner world?